to share again. So see, like this way, you are going to use this, switch off this background. So like this way, you can maintain your okay, like this way. So this is your heading of total hotel reservation project. Select this border and little shadow on this, so that, and the border is black now. So select this. I don't need black border. Change the color of the same. Okay, so like this way, this is your hotel reservation project. And guys, in the hotel reservation project, you have a lot of origin country, okay, and lot of destination country as well. As so you have to select one of the filter options, slicer. This is the slicer, and you can check uh, most visited country. Visited means a destination country. So go to this destination country and select it here. So this is your total of all destination country here, which is 20 destination country, or this is most visited country ever in this our data. Select this, go to this selection journal. So instead of vertical, if I select horizontal, so this will be in this way. Like this way, you have a country. Or go to little smaller. Okay, and also you can change the size of this one. It's 20, not 20, it's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you click on this, there is a 10. So total of this destination country. Select this, go to selection header, switch off. Okay, I don't want, or you can write it also if you need. So instead of destination, you can visited country. And font color is white. No, selection control, single. There is a item option. Click on this. White background is dark green. Okay, and there is a one more option here, background. So now it is, if you click on any country like Denmark, only the Denmark country data will be shown to you. This is Italy, so Italy, Kenya, Maldives, and Maldives. Okay, so double click on this. So this is your total all the countries data. Click this, go to down, border and just shadow. So now your two slicer is done. One is name and your visitor country is done. So now I need some of the card chart here. Click on this card chart first and go to key measure. From this key measure, first one thing is total visitor. So this is your total visitor. Click this. Background I don't need. Data label, color you should change like white. For display unit I need none. It means similar value. And total visitor category. This is your category option. If you switch off this category, then switch off, or you can use your title option. Title on, write it here as total visitor, color is white, background is green. So this is your total visitor for the total. And if you click on this China, only the China visitor will be there, 3331. Click on the Denmark is 3375. Click on Mexico 3275. Same way, click on this New Zealand. So only this data will be filtered it out by clicking on one device automatically. This is your total visitor. Same way, just copy and just paste. So this is here we need, suppose what we need, the second step is number of restaurant. Okay, so number of restaurant, here is total number of restaurant is 614. So if we click on this India, the total visitor is 3294 and total visitor, why it is not change, Colombia, Egypt. Click on this and go to title. You can change here the number of restaurants. Okay, so this one is 614. If you click on this Egypt, the total is 66535 and number of restaurants is, total number of restaurant is 614. Same way, now we need some of the important thing into our data, like most visited country. First we have to calculate the most visited country. Then the most visited destination country is which one. So we have to calculate this. First we have to make the card chart complete, copy and just paste it. So under this 614, number of destination country, you can select it here 20 and you can change the title only. Number of visited country, copy and just paste. So here I want select as number of origin country. Number of origin country, and one more thing I want to write it here, which one, highest age, female, average age, highest, lowest rating, minimum, origin restaurant, Singapore, total visitor, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, only 4 thing is good enough. And now I want to create one of the important chart, which is like most visited country chart. So click this chart here. Select this, and you have to use most visited country. So visited country means your destination country. Select this into axis here, and you need answer of the most visited country by on the basis of total visitor. So click on this total visitor. So here is all the answer for all the country wise, and click on this total visitor. I don't need the value, I need the answer in the percentage of grand total. Percentage of grand total, and see the answer is changed, but this is for all countries, but I need only top 5 countries. Okay, so select this chart, click on this filter here. Okay, select this destination country. There is an option here, basic filtering. So you can use your top n filter, and top n you can write it only top 5, and on the basis of which you want a top 5, like visitor, okay, like any other basis. So on the basis of total visitor, select this or by value and then apply filter. See, So now we have answered that percentage of total visitor by destination country, and I need to change this. Go to this title. So I write it here as most visited. This is most visited country, and here also this is the percentage answer. This is the total destination country. So suppose here I don't want this destination country. So click on this here. Click this x-axis off. Click this y-axis off. I don't. Yeah, in the y-axis, I need only the numerical data, not heading. So here is the option here, title. So title you can just switch off. I need only this data in the percentage option. Or if you don't need, then also you can unselect this if you don't need this, because we have answered this into our another value. Let me show you y-axis. See, you said that it is very not a good way, but it is good because in the Power BI you have to show your value with a very less step or very similar way, general view that anybody can understand. So here is the option of x-axis. This is the x-axis. Here is also you have option of title. This one off you can title. So this value is off. And now there is the option of data label. Data label, this one. So you can just switch on this data label. See, the answer is here. And color should be white. Numerical should be none. Auto is okay. Okay, and size you can increase. Yeah, this one is okay. So data color is also there. So instead of green, you can use on a white. You can use your any color. Pink is not good. Light green. Yeah, and now you can just off this background and go to this title. Change the font color. So here you have answer, and see this X line is a showing this value we need. So click on this x-axis again. Title, minimum, mold, this value, color. Okay. X-axis. You have to increase the size of this, not that much. Yeah, this one is okay. And click the color and you can change the color also. So now see, this is the correct your visualization. That most visited country, New Zealand, Nepal, Egypt, Colombia, and China. These are top 5 country. And same way, go to this option, visited country, because every organization don't want the all countries data. So you can use in the slicer also only most visited countries. So basic, top, and you can use your 5, and on the basis of total visitor, just apply filter so that only 5 countries there into your chart. So now highest country is New Zealand. If you click on this Egypt, the value is changed. And why it is changed, guys? Because you have only the this value is for all countries, not for one country. So that is why it is changed. So now it should be okay for all countries. So most visited country, this is your most visited country chart into your reservation project. That highest country is Nepal, New Zealand, Nepal, and see the answer is 12.20.14 and 20.14. But there is a difference in the one or two column. And let me show you. Click this table. Okay, without click this table also, click this, copy and just paste, go to here. Instead of this, you can use your table and see the answer is 20.14. But same way, if you are using here total visitor, see the answer 3447 and 3446, just a one difference. So that is why it is percentage showing the same. So it does not mean the answer is same. It is the highest is New Zealand. That is why New Zealand rank is 1, Nepal, Egypt, Colombia and China. So this way also you can make your table presentation also in the upper side here, and click this, click on the style, change the color, column header. This is the column header. You can change the color as well. Just a minute, guys. I'm going to like this way. You have to make the multiple tables and one paragraph chart so that it will be more suitable for you. Okay. So guys, any other doubt you have? And guys, tomorrow also we will have class at 8 p.m. Okay, tomorrow is Saturday, but I am going to cover this project tomorrow. Okay, so you can join tomorrow also at the same time like 8 p.m. Then tomorrow we will cover this project and complete this project, and then you have to make the grouping of this project. And guys, you have any doubt, so tell me.
Harsh, I want to know, like when you wrote this total visitor or something, you
Okay.
gave that thing,
Sorry,
the backslash, and you wrote some filter, and you
where?
said it's a comment. So, you know, the page 2, when we were writing the key major thing.
Okay.
So, for one of the data, you wrote a variable thing, then it
Yeah, for
asked
variable.
you,
Yeah,
you wrote the backslash filter.
let me show you. Just give me an example. This one, right? This one.
No, not this one.
Mhm. Backslash. Okay. This one is a black slash, right?
Yeah, why we wrote that? I mean,
No, this one is just a comment. I am only writing for you. See, it is not a value. It is a hiding.
oh,
I am just writing
okay,
that it is for your easily understanding, because I am sharing that file to you so that easily understanding that when you using this count column, count function, okay, or when you using
okay,
this in count function, see, only by selecting fact table. So this should not be select by your dim table. If you select the dim table, answer will be the correct, but it is not a correct way. So always select distinct function should be always select with a fact table. Okay, so I'm
okay,
just writing a comment only for your understanding only.
okay. So it
Okay.
will not show in the table. It's just
No,
a
no,
comment we are.
no, it is just a command, because that is why I'm writing a backslash of 2 times. If you write it anything into your function for remembering in the future, see, if I write one step, it's showing error. If I write second, it is green value. And green value does not have any impact into your function dot text function.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Any other?
No.
Okay, guys. So thank you, and I will share that project with you and recording also. And tomorrow, guys, we will have class also. So that tomorrow we will cover this project, and from Monday we will start our new project. Okay.
Yeah, Harsh, please share the last